Oh my
Fingers are
god.
colour. Are you turning white?
I'm turning into a white woman. Oh my god. It's not too far from the color of the tiles of the floor.
That's not good. Why are the
Oh
two
my
fingers
god.
like that? Why?
They're cool, man.
Is your thumb black?
Yeah, a bit. No, white.
No, your thumb.
Yeah, it's turning to
No,
violet.
If you turn it around. No, the other round. The other way around. Let's see.
Yeah, so it's going back to its normal form. So from white to
Oh, look
violet
at your fingers.
to...
Look at how the colours change on them.
Yeah.
They're thawing.
Thawing and thawing.
Whatever.
Ah.
What about your other hand?
My what?
The other hand. What are they like? Oh.
Same. They're going back.
It's got blood in them.
Oh my god. This is so nice. That was fast, no?
Yeah. Does it hurt?
No.
Put the